Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the JCK library website to your advantage and how to use the databases to help you in school projects or papers or anything like that. So to start off, just click Browse Databases and it'll take you to a search picture like this. Today I'm going to be doing criminal justice. So there's 5 databases found for criminal justice in the library page. You can pick whatever you're most interested in. I'm going to do violence and abuse abstracts. And then it's going to take you to this page where you can search specific like keywords that you're interested in. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with women. And you can see here it says there's 7,273 articles, results, things like that. So you can just kind of go through. It shows a lot of different articles, like from different places in the world, not just here in the US. Yeah, like you can, like here's one for white female bystanders. The more specific you get in the searches, the less results you might come up with, just because it narrows down more into what you're looking for. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick one. We'll go with this one. So in here it shows the authors of this specific item that is on the database. It helps kind of give an overview of what the article or magazine article or journal article might have. It gives keywords, teacher, school recognition, domestic violence, children, things like that. Right here it helps tell you the document type, which is an article. So that could be in the newspaper, magazine, journal. Let's see, let's look for another source and see if we can find something out of maybe a book. That's an article too, but it's still the same thing. It just has kind of a little summary of what the article pertains, things like that. Now, if we want to go back up to the top and we can get more specific and say women and children, let's see if that gets more specific. It does. It narrowed it down from about 7,000 to a little under 2,000. So here's another article. I'll just click on the first one. Battered women, children, and the end of abusive relationships. This is also an article. Again, it just has the kind of overall summary of what the article holds, keywords, things like that. There are other ways, so you can't access the full report on here, but you can always go up to the 3rd floor in the library and see if they have a copy of it, or you can do an interloan from a different library that might have it. And yeah, that is pretty much all I have on the databases in the JCK library. Thanks so much.